Have you ever stared at your phone, heart pounding, because you can't remember your Wealthsimple Trade password? It's a frustrating ordeal, isn't it? Well, you're not alone. Countless users have faced this digital dilemma. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of changing your Wealthsimple Trade password, step by step. So, grab your phone, let's dive in. First things first, why would you want to change your password? Maybe you suspect it's been compromised, or perhaps you just want to boost your account security. Whatever the reason, it's a good practice to change your passwords regularly. Now, let's get down to business. How do you actually change your Wealthsimple Trade password? Step 1. Open the Wealthsimple Trade app. It might sound obvious, but it's a crucial first step. Make sure you're using the official Wealthsimple Trade app and not a fake one. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Look for your profile icon. It's usually found in the bottom right corner of the app. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Find the security settings. Once you're in your profile, you'll see several options. Look for something related to security, privacy, or account settings. This is where the magic happens. Step 4. Initiate password change. You should see an option to change your password. Tap on it. The app will then prompt you to enter your current password. Step 5. Create a new password. This is where you create your new password fortress. Make it strong, but not too complex that you'll forget it. A combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols is generally recommended. Step 6. Confirm new password. You'll be asked to re-enter your new password to confirm it. Double-check to make sure you've typed it correctly. Step 7. Save changes. Once you've confirmed your new password, save the changes. You should receive a confirmation message. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Wealthsimple Trade password. It's that simple. A few tips for creating a strong password. Avoid using personal information like birthdays or pet names. Use a password manager to generate and store complex passwords. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Remember, a strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access to your account. Treat it with the importance it deserves. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.